Is your 2016 Chrysler 200 displaying the dreaded key fob not detected message? Don't panic. The most common culprit is a simple fix: the key fob battery. The most common culprit is a simple fix: the key fob battery. Replace the CR2032 battery, ensuring correct polarity. If that doesn't work, the problem likely lies within the RF hub, which is the car's key signal receiver. A quick RF hub reset might do the trick. Try cycling the ignition 10 times in 10 seconds while holding the brake if your car has push to start. For key start models, insert the key and turn to run without starting the engine. If the issue persists, it's time to move on to a key relearn. This involves inserting the key into the ignition, turning it to the run position, and holding the unlock button on the fob for 4 to 10 seconds. If these steps fail, the RF hub may require professional attention. If basic fixes don't work, use an OBD2 scanner to clear error codes related to the immobilizer or RF hub. For RF hub issues, aftermarket kits are available online for DIY replacement. Follow instructions carefully and ensure compatibility. Stay updated with Chrysler's software to fix RF hub detection errors. This can be done at home with specific tools. Looking ahead, digital keys and over-the-air updates provide more convenient solutions. Consider universal fob replacements as a cost-effective solution. Perform annual battery checks to prevent future issues.